Yes, welcome back. Welcome back. Good afternoon, my lovely subscribers and my viewers. Good afternoon. How you guys all doing today? Or you guys have a blessed day? Well, welcome back. Thank God for another day. Well, I'm just going here doing, I'm doing a little cooking dinner this evening. So I want to share my little recipe dinner with you. You know, that's a little cooking in the evening here. So I'm about to do some curry chicken and white rice. So just stick and stay with me, the girl, and this adventure. Hey. Okay guys, so I'll be going ahead and get the stove light. Very windy guys, you know. So here I set on my pot there, and about to get some curry in the pot. Okay, so I'm going to pour in a little oil. I'm going to burn my curry because that's the way I cook my curry, burn. So I'm going to put in a small amount of oil here. Not much, I know, so the chicken them a pile, carry them on oil. So you don't want a lot of oil up a grease and a stomach. You know, say when we have up in a heat, so we have to watch our heat and up a grease and etc. Good. So here is my best pack curry, guys. My best pack curry. You don't have to use plenty, just a little. I'm going to pour in a little curry in the oil to burn. Oops. Very much windy. Okay. Alright. Okay. So here I can show it. See curry in the oil getting burned. I love to burn my curry. Okay. So in the meantime, I get in my oil and the curry. It's getting burned. So I'm going to rest this aside here. Okay. Get my hand washed. Okay. While the curry is burning, you know, some people love when I talk about curry, you know, curry and white rice. So I love curry, but not too plenty. Okay? So in the meantime, I'm going to stir it right around. Let it get a little burning with a piece of garlic in it. Okay? Good. So, alright, now burning. So, in the meantime, the curry is burning a little. This is my rice here. Jasmine rice. And I have the butter here. Okay? So, I'm going to go ahead now and get in my rice here cut. Cut off the edge of it here, the seal. Okay. Good. So, pulling it now, I'm going to pour a small amount. Good. We don't need more than this. A small amount. That's nice here. Okay, so now the oil is hot. Now the curry is burned. I'm going to add now. My chicken is already seasoned already, marinate already. I'm going to add. Get it, guys? Good. I'm going to add and stir it. Okay, so go ahead and stir it. Going to get it covered. Let him stay there and go ahead and cook. I will season the chicken with the curry because I do not like to use curry into plastic. I have to use bleach and get it clean out. Okay, so just stick and stay with me and watch what I got. Okay, so I already poured my rice. And just my rice. Okay, put these guys one side here. Okay, and the dish over here. Okay, so I'm going to add now, get my rice wash. Okay, so wash it. I'm going to put some water in here. Okay, put some water. I'm going to add now to put in a piece of butter. So while I'm using the butter, I won't be using any salt because you know the butter is already salt. So when you're combining two things together, two salty products together, it don't make sense. So I'm going ahead, putting a piece of butter into it. Okay. So spin it around. I'm going to get it covered. I'm going to put it right on the fire. Okay. Just stick and stay with me and watch how I go on. Okay? So okay, I'm going to look. Oops, the wind is very high, people. Very, very high. I've tilted the window because I can't afford to blow out the gas. So let me show you what's going on in the pot there. Okay, this is the curry over here. I'm gonna add and give it a stir. Looking good, people. Looking very, very good. Let me real close up look. See, looking very good. Nice and classy. Okay, cover it back here now. The rice is there. So just stick and stay and watch what I want. Okay, so I'm going to add in a little water here. Let me show you guys what is going on here in the pot here. So I'll go ahead and add in water so it's going to cook. Like it cooks, so I'm going to taste it. I think it wants a little bit salt, a little bit of salt. Not much. Okay, I know say when curry fresh, you know that go. Not supposed to salt, but you know when curry fresh, you know the belly work when it's fresh. Good. So in the meantime, it's on the fire cooking. Just stick and stay and watch what I'm. So watch me going now, washing up the dishes, what I just used. So as I go ahead, I clean up. Because I don't like dirty surroundings. Wow, guys, it is so breezy, windy. Okay, I'm going to check on the rice. What I score? So stick and stay and watch what I want. That's my people in the meantime cooking. Let me go on to speak with you guys. Guys, we are coming down to our next end, closing of our next month. Imagine the month just start and we almost out going into a brand new month again. Guys, I can't get the clothes outside and the line flapping with the breeze going on. My God. We love the breeze now, but we don't want it to be no damage. So guys, as I'm in the kitchen, I cook some curry chicken and white rice. Guys, let me tell you something. I have to give God thanks, you know. Because why? In waking up this morning, I am not under, I am over. And I have a lot to give God thanks for. And we all have a lot to give God thanks for, because many of us this morning didn't wake up. We wake up in our right mind. And God is good. He providing for us. Here am I cooking. Many people out there this morning, from morning they wake up, nothing to eat, nothing to give their children, and nothing. And I was watching Colors Brilliant in the Philippines, and it's so heartbreaking to see what is taking place over there, where the people that are living under the bridge. Under the bridge, I see in the room, one little baby room like this, 7 of them, mother, daughter-in-law, baby, everybody. And that young man step in. Right? That young man step in. And let me tell you something. Make her pray for Color Smith people. Make her pray for him. God give him to his mother for a reason and a purpose. And he's doing his purpose here on earth, what God wants him to do. So, my people, make we nobody know what I sit on bad mouth, Color Smith. Pray for him if you not nothing good for say, don't say nothing. Right? Make her pray for him, ask God for blood coverage over him. That girl, 7 of them in the one house, mother, daughter-in-law, mother, daughter, children, and brother, and stuff like that. Nothing on the floor, they're sleeping on the bare floor, nothing on the floor, nothing. When our sister come from school and she take off that shoes and give our sister to go to school. So each one of them share one pair of shoes. So when that sister come from school, that one take off that shoes and give her, and she could go to school. And look how we are blessed in Jamaica here. We take things for granted too much. People, we're taking things for granted too much. God is not pleased with us. There are so much unfortunate people in this world. Oh my God. I said, God, I asked God everything. But just help me. Help me. That I can reach out and help others. You understand me? That I can reach out to help others. Because people out there need help. I can see for myself that people out there need help. There's so much unfortunate people out there, and we have things and I take things for granted so much. We find fault everything. We don't want this, we don't want that. Look, we're so blessed. If you look out of the yard or so, breadfruit there so, breadfruit tree there so. banana in the pantry, hockey in the pantry, June plum coming in, and you name it, you name it. And when I look at those people in Philistine, what Colossians is doing, that young man is on a mission. That young man is on a mission. He's the next Messiah. He's the next Messiah, you know. The people make me tell us something. Make me lift up our hand to God and say, God, I thank you. Make me not take things for granted, you know. Because people out there worse than we. So I cook the dinner, so I have to talk when I see and make people understand, say, we are blessed. We are blessed. We are so much blessed. And we take things for granted too much. And God is not pleased. God not pleased. Because we don't know how to appreciate what we have around us. We do not know how to appreciate what we have around us. And if you're a cook, come on, if you have nothing extra, right? You're a cook, if you have one bunch of banana, you get 1, 2 banana. Give your neighbor, man, your hand will have those now fight. God said, love a cheerful giver, not a cheerful taker. Someone will take too much and I give back. That's why you can't find the blessing. Someone will just wah like a ambulance. And we're not trying to help or reach out to other people who need help. They don't want to help them, they need help. And me tell us, classmate, anyway there today, me I pray, I'm not stop praying for you. And I stop praying for you. God give you to your mother for a purpose and a reason that you can reach across the world to others or reach out to others. Oh my God. How can I leave out this young man out of my prayer? I would never. He's a young man. Young man. And look what he's doing. He didn't take his blessing to himself. He shared it. And we must learn to share our blessing with others. No matter if they show we ungratefulness still, but still show them. Spread the love. God said, do the good you can to all the people you can as long as you can. Alright. Now preach today, okay? Just a heads up. Alright. Okay, look, I'll show you my rice. What the rice saying here. Okay. Alright, this is the rice here. Here. Nice and cherry. Let's try a little bit more water. Alright, this is how the curry looking. Looking good. Looking good, my peeps. Looking nice. So now stick and stay with your girl on this adventure. We people have to just give God thanks, you know. Every move, me have to say, God, I thank you. God, I thank you for all what you are doing. And all of my subscribers who already subscribed to me. You didn't have to do it. You didn't have to do it. But I am taking this time out to say to you, many thanks. And please continue to watch my videos. Please to subscribe, to watch my video, subscribe, share, and comments. I I will reply back to you. And I want to tell you, I really, really appreciate you guys because I'm going up the ladder. I'm going up. I trust God and I tell God, whatever you start in my life, you're going to finish it. And you're not going to take me only to it, you're going to take me through it. I tell God, because anything I do, I pray before I do it. And I'm doing this YouTube thing, it's for a purpose and a reason. And the reason is all about, I want to give back. That is my purpose of doing YouTube. Not only think about, oh I can get money, make money. Yes, how to make money, but to give back. To help. There's so many people out there that need help. That is my purpose of doing YouTube, is to give back. You understand? To give back. And show some love and kindness. That's all God is asking for. Show some love and kindness to each and every one of us. Show the love, show the kindness. And when God sees that, He will open more doors for us. So people, make we pull up the socks here, man. Make we pull up the socks. Okay? Let us pull up the socks and think out the box. Because people out there, time is really tough. Time is really, really tough. And regardless, we never go to bed one night yet hungry. God always provides. No matter what, He always provides. He always provides. He said before a cow, a crow go to his bed hungry, him kill a cow. Down to the crow, God provide for much less we human beings. But still we don't appreciate what we have. Or we must learn to appreciate what we see, because we can't appreciate what we do not see. We have to learn to appreciate what we see and give God thanks and praise. So I'm in the kitchen I cook. Just don't know something of it. Speak what's on my mind and make people know say God's still alive, He's not dead. He's still alive and He's watching. He's watching. So the next one I have to big up. Want to big up the good old farmer man. That young man he have an heart of gold. Farmer man, he not give away everything we have. He not give away everything we have. That's why him blessing come. Because him are not tight. Him give and him give and him give and him give. And more he give, and more doors open for him. I want to know. Go and big him up. Go and push him up the ladder. Go and push him up the ladder. Go and subscribe to his channel, watch up in channel, watch up the thing. You know, so the one farmer man in the place, you know, so you don't know. So I can't lift him out, you know. The one farmer man. Can't lift him out, man. You have to big him up. You see it? Alright, it's coming down. Alright, my people, take a check on the rice again here. What he's saying over here? Good. Alright. Rice finished cook. And let us make you guys see what's going for the curry. Look here, guys. Yummy. Yummy till it's chummy. So that's all the things set, guys. That's all the things set. So as I say, guys, make we love yourself, love each one another. Let us love each one another and give God thanks and praise. Because He's still sitting on the throne and looking down. So, just want to know, take care of the lovely self, because the curry pot a simmer down. Curry pot a simmer down. I'm just blessed. I am blessed. I am too blessed to be stressed. So, we just want to big up on a lovely self. All of my subscribers out there, near and far. How could I forget? I want to big up my nice, lovely sister, Dana. Auntie Dana. My sister, I big up Dana anywhere she is in New York. She actually at work. I big her up. Because God sent her over here, man. God sent her to Jamaica, yeah. You understand? She's my lovely subscriber. She come and she bless me. And she bless me. I just give God thanks. I just give God thanks for her. I give God thanks for her. And I pray that her store basket may never be running empty. And I pray and ask God to bless her going out and bless her coming in. Bless our family, children and grandchildren. Bless up everybody. Bless our family. Bless her. And anywhere our foot trod, God cover you, girl. God cover you. Dana, God cover you. And I say, sit at it then. Ask God to cover you, girl. Cover you, cover you, cover you. That video, oh my God, it was a blessing. It was a blessing. It was a blessing, girl. It was a blessing. It was a blessing. So, just stay sweet, girl. I love you with the love of God. Love you from my heart. Not from the lip, from the heart. And I know God will take you higher. And asking God to just cover you and bless you. So, I come to the end of my video. So, you want to do for me again? Please and thanks. Subscribe along this word that. Like, comments, share, and bless upon yourself. I'm a love you. And I am out.